Brand new bands for Foxy. Which one of you cloned me?
That beard is a nice target, but they wanted you alive. Their fates were kingdomless. I see.
This is my only brother. Killing you is all I have left to do now.
Manjo will, like a one, the hospital will have to wait. Welcome to the assembly. That was awesome, amazing shooting. We're only alive because of you. Let's have a single man to deal with our friendly enemies. We have to wait until Mando calls us in. Why don't you tell me about yourself?
What? Is this a date?
I'm just curious now. Someone ends up so good at killing people. It just does not seem very natural.
Has a high different nature than a lion.
Or perhaps a wolf. I admit your talent does come in handy. But did you learn how to shoot?
You must have memory.
Listen, you are sitting in our office right next to our leader. I'm definitely a little nervous not knowing you.
But if it will calm you down, my father taught me how to shoot. I remember my father handing me my first rifle. I remember the feel of the grip and how it felt against my cheek. I remember exactly when the trigger broke and the rifle would fire. I felt like the rifle was a part of me, just another body part I had complete control of. All I ever wanted to do was shoot in the rifle. My dad taught me how to use it and how to respect it. My dad and I would shoot all day every day. He was even there for my first kill. A raven flew in and landed where I was shooting. Ravens were attacking our chickens. I had no problem killing something that killed the innocent. Everything became amplified when I was shooting at a living thing. I will always remember my first kill. I like it more when my target had a heartbeat.